Hey guys, we're doing the 4-box break random team, 2-box upper deck, and 2-box optic mega. It's 8:38:44 p.m. Melbourne time. Let's do the teams. Random is live. We're going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oops. And 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Random complete, and the teams are Nathan Kane, Nuggets, Widmark, Kings, Harrison, Knicks, Aaron with the Bucks, Timothy, Wizards, Guilford with the Grizz, Wells, Suns, Ash, Mavericks, Andrew with the Clippers, James with the Rockets, Lalada, Cavs, Simic, Spurs with Torski, Pelicans, Timothy, Celtics, Jeff, Nets, Dylan, Hawks, Steve, Sixers, Albie Jazz, Rodney Blazers, Albie Bulls, Philip Raptors, Joel Heat, Dan with the Magic, James Warriors, Bestwick Hornets, Corey Pacers, Jan Wolves, Albie Thunder, Mr. Dallo with Gallo, I don't know, with the Lakers, and Air Ray with the Pistons, and that's the teams.